It's time for cooking with Finn. He's got the fun in the pit, outside or in the kitchen. Come along, cooking with Finn.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to be making bacon and scallops. Wrap them together to get bacon scallops. Let's start cooking. Am I forgetting something? What time is it? It's almost dinner time! Why didn't you remind me? Quick, we have to make dinner for everyone. Let's make this. Some scallops wrapped in bacon. Yum! Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Grab a big baking sheet and grab your trusty wooden stool. Look how tall I am! I can reach the stars! I'm so hungry, I could eat this box. Anyways, cut a hole in the plastic and rip it open. Ah ha ha! Hulk rip! Put all the delicious scallop bacon onto the pan. Ugh, I am so hungry. Knock knock. Hello? Anyone in there? Oh, you want me to eat you? Oh, okay. Wait, did it just talk to me? I found it easier to just dump all of it on the pan and sort them out nicely. Look at this! Double the size and double the flavor! Once you nicely spread them out on the pan, take the pan over to the stove and make sure it is ready to be put in. Ay chihuahua, it's hot in there! I almost lost my eyebrows! Put the pan with the scallops in the oven carefully like this. You want to set a timer for 25 minutes for the bacon scallops to be fully cooked. After you hear the beep 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 of the timer going off, you'll have your magnificent bacon scallops. I could eat them right out of the stove, but they're a little hot. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.